Make sure you post your stupid little TikToks. Look what I got. Card, instructions, owner's manual, ping pong ball, a hanger to hang on the wall. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Look how pretty. This is how you clean the filter. How cool is that? No one can ever clean a hairdryer filter. This is genius. Love that. Magnetic. What? Also comes with a diffuser. It's magnetic as well. What a fabulous design. Yes. Yes. Yeah, girl, post your little funny TikToks. Keep posting. Keep posting. They get bigger. They get bigger. They get bigger. Now I gotta wash my hair. Anyway, I just want to do an unboxing. Keep posting your TikToks. Keep it up. Have a good day. Bye.